I know you're having a rough day.
Shitty day. Sorry for the curse.
But I have something to make you happy.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look at this.
Oh, the jean ski?
Yes, huh? You saw? Oh, so sad. Care package. More on that later because food shot comes at the end of the vlog. What's this?
These are uprights that are going to Mason.
To RSF performance?
Yes,
in Malaysia?
Yep.
Yeah, and the big wing. That's going for someone else, I think. Stan, where's the wing going? Where's the wing going?
I guess Romania.
Oh yeah, Romania. Yes, Romania. Customer service. Can I order 10 wings and some uprights? Anyway, so what's this?
We
just relocated.
We relocate. Not important right now.
Okay, we'll speak about this later.
This is plan B, not plan B, like
plan
project for the winter.
Yeah.
This is project for right now.
I totally forgot to say that we're just giving you a daily update of what's happening here at Vulcan Alpha. So a couple of things. Yeah. I'm gonna show you this major Civic update in a bit. But we started to setting up our lounge area basically. So Speedster was like chilling here, so now it's gone.
5 engines here.
5 engines were, they're also gone, so we have now here a sort of chill area. We need to upgrade our seating situation, not gardening chairs, but hey, we're just a startup, we need to start somewhere.
So flooring, and then I already don't like where the sofa is, so it's going to come right here. Shop here with some exposition pieces.
Yeah, and also merch. Speaking of the merch, we already have some, and one of the latest cool items is, or are, DRS drag reduction socks that we made together with very famous and the best in the field heel tread. So you can get those by checking out the link in the video description. And yeah, I think we need to do some proper lap now with just the socks, right? Is it legally allowed? I think you need to wear proper footwear. Maybe not a real life lap, but we can always do a lap on the sim in the socks only. If you come here and you bring your car for service and you need to wait in the waiting area, you can get to go on a sim. What's happening here? Come on, Lapo.
Yes, so this is an exercise that we're doing with these two guys.
With our interns?
Yep.
Yay.
And we're gonna laser scan the face of the mounting points for the transmission because, well, we're going into the project now. We're going to the Speedster project. So before I thought of using the original transmission from the car, but I'm thinking of shifting the engine to another position. So probably I'm gonna need to find a transaxle to work with it. Because this gives me more room to play with tunnel for the diffuser, and also the layout, the suspension arms are going to be longer, and that's going to be way better for packaging and also to bring down the weight. Because with the transaxle I can also put the mounts of the rear suspension on the transmission, so it brings down the weight and all of that shit. Nice.
So that's what the guys will be doing now. I have a next assignment for you two. So this dead K20 needs to go to the engine builder, and they asked me to deliver it to them as bold as possible, so you can disassemble it next. Yeah, once you're done with this, of course.
This is going to be done in like an hour.
Ah, perfect. This, I don't know what we're doing with K24. We'll figure it out. No, I have different plans already for it. Anyway, we have new upgrades for our big rep 1.5, because it was .4 printer, but yesterday they upgraded to a .5, so it's now extra fancy. It has the new extruders.
Way more wear resistant and magnetic
bed.
So you don't have the polymer one that there was before. It's going to be way easier to take in and out pieces. The new extruders are faster. We have a 1mm nozzle and a 2mm nozzle. So for really big prints or more, let's say, this is a 1mm, let's say, test print.
So if anyone in the area needs a big print, this baby can do up to 1 cubic meters. We have some Ravno goodies. This one we already told you last video. And now we are unboxing and working with...
Well, it's unboxed.
Well, it is unboxed, yes, correct. But I've been saying it for the last month. But NP Parts and Engineering, alignment system and corner weighting.
Do you want to see the weight of the car live?
I already have seen it before, but I know it now. So it's 2021, and I think we have full tank. Like
We have.
yeah. So it's a sub 1000 dry.
It's gonna be easy. Probably if we work really nicely with the composite parts, we can go maybe sub 900.
Yeah, with the cage.
Yeah, with everything.
Yeah, we'll do that. I think in one of the coming videos we will do like let's get our Civic to under 1,000 already just by removing the back seats and other stuff. Now, should we show
You
the...
can see it live. You can take off stuff
Yeah.
and see it live going down. So.
Exactly. Should we show the most exciting part about the Civic?
Oh.
So yesterday I was not in the company and then I get a message from Lucas saying like, hey, decisions have to be made. We found something in the trunk. So previously you might have seen that there was for some reason wooden plate and then the battery was attached to it. So that was taken out to make it a bit nicer, and then we found
This.
I don't even know what and how. It's a mess. It's an absolute disgusting mess.
Please film the potato.
Is that potato?
Yeah, there's a potato.
Why is there a freaking pot? Is that like... I think everything makes sense now. Boosted Boris was doing Potato Crusade 10 years ago to find the potato, and I think he found it in the Civic. My God, why? So the only plausible assumption we might have is that one day there was a sound system. That's why there is some sort of insulation material. Then he was carrying extra oil because Civics like to drink oil. Then the oil bottle spilled. It was covered everything in oil. And then he's like, oh, I need to sell this car because of all the reasons. And let me put some...
I think it wasn't
foam.
for selling. I think he was just, I don't give a damn, so I'm just gonna not deal with the oil spill and cover it up and drive it like it is.
I don't even know, but this is I don't know, hilarious and disgusting and everything at the same time. I mean, we are going to cut it out anyway. Because,
So here is the speaker wires.
yeah, so it used to be something. This is like impressive. I'm genuinely impressed. This is like something. I'm sure through the next years, since we started workshop now to work on customer cars, we will see many other questionable things in our lives that I'm sure you have seen already.
Yeah, it's nothing like this.
Of course.
No.
Right. But yeah, as I said, we were gonna cut it out anyway for better airflow and less weight. So that's already like minus 10 kilos, maybe, probably, who knows. Definitely with all the oil and stuff. And I like how Enrico, our detailer, left me a note. I'm not doing this trunk. Enrico, everything has a price. Let us know in the comments how much you would invoice me for cleaning that. Yeah, big battery can also go for something more lightweight, definitely. Mm-hmm. I can proudly say, I'm not sure if I mentioned it previously, but the car has passed the high-speed testing on TÜV. It now just needs to get all the emission stuff done and everything. And yeah, obviously this now as well. How bad can it be? Get the potato. Maybe it's gonna start growing.
Oh yeah, because it has some soil.
Oh, because it's a US car. It's an emergency hatch, so you cannot kidnap people.
Yeah, it's quite common there, right?
Well, yeah, this is definitely not cool. So we'll see how that's going to end up. And yeah.
I'm not doing that.
Really?
No.
Really?
No.
Oh, come on.
If it doesn't go out with dry ice, I'm not doing it.
Okay, we're gonna try with that. Anyway, for now, what I want to say is if you are a Honda geek like I am, obviously, 1, 2, do I have a third one? Stay tuned. Then this might be something definitely for you. The Red Runner book, or actually 2 books, that's been 10 years in the making. I got it for myself, and it's full of history of Honda from the very first beginnings to the very first turbocharged Type R and all the motorsport. Let's open it up, let's show it how it is. Ooh, yeah, of course. What's a Honda without Senna? Yeah. All the NSX, lots of things. The book is bilingual in French and English. And if you use Misha 10 codes on the website of Red Runner, you get 10% off. So let's find DC2. Let's find something more relevant. Oh yeah, big wings, big wings. Lots of exclusive content. So yeah, that's definitely going in our customer chill lounge over there, so you can come and check it out yourself as well at Vulcan. And yeah, well, I guess that's kind of it when it comes to the updates. I almost forgot that we have food shot. And look, we have visitors.
Hello.
Hello. Because Tommy Stamp is getting married. Imagine. They grow up so fast. Yes, so we're going to the wedding, but first Tarczynski. Definitely protein, 32 grams. Fantastic. All right. You want a hat?
A hat?
A hat.
I'll have a hat. A cowboy hat.
Yeah, cowboy hat.
Yeah.
It's Truck Grand Prix this weekend, so but we're not here for that. We're here for Ristretto. We still need to have a sign, but we're gonna introduce guys to the best coffee in town.
I'm excited.
So, hello. Oh, we have fridges. Yes. We're actually gonna have protein bars next. We need to have some shelving solution here because drinks are running wild on the weekend, especially like Truck Grand Prix. So yeah, but people need to come for more for coffee. I'd like to have a cappuccino, please.
This one on your car, Sergi?
Dude, that's so old school. Anyway, how was the coffee?
It was really good. It's actually my third coffee and I like it.
Third coffee ever in your life?
Yeah, exactly. I'm not really a coffee person. I'm feeling like powerful now.
You're ready to go. What about you?
Yeah, probably 10 out of 10. It's really good, even with the milk.
Nice, nice.
Perfect temperature, perfect taste.
Yeah,
Perfect place.
Happy to hear that. Yeah, and looking forward to seeing you guys soon. Also here at Ristretto or the Vulcan Alpha or at the Nürburgring. There should be like a video of me doing a passenger lap with a truck, I think 5 years ago or so. It was pretty wild. Anyway, on that note, thanks for watching. Bye.